Prosper Investment Platform Review. Watch before using. Most people think investing is only for the wealthy. The surprising truth is that everyday investors are quietly earning passive income through peer-to-peer lending. Prosper is one of the earliest and most established peer-to-peer investment platforms. It allows individuals to invest directly in personal loans issued to real borrowers. Instead of your money sitting in a low-interest savings account, you can earn interest by funding small portions of many different loans. Here is how Prosper works. Borrowers apply for personal loans and are assigned a risk grade based on credit history, income, and debt levels. Investors can browse available loans and choose which ones to fund. You can invest as little as a small amount per loan, spreading your money across many borrowers to reduce risk. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Prosper is different from traditional investing. You are not betting on stock prices. You are earning returns from real monthly loan payments. This creates predictable cash flow. Historically, diversified portfolios on peer-to-peer lending platforms have shown competitive returns compared to many savings products, though returns can vary based on risk choices. Prosper also offers automated investing tools that build a diversified portfolio for you based on your preferences. This is ideal for beginners who want a hands-off approach. If you want an alternative way to grow your money beyond banks and stocks, Prosper is worth serious consideration. Subscribe now for more honest investing platform reviews.